shit back. We got London on the train. Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it curses, you deserve it. Niggas in your DM, maybe Thursday. In the person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, let it surface. Yeah, I'm on your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay, you're swerving. I fuck you from the back and leave you turning. The type to make you feel like I'm so worth it. When my ex thought that she did me dirty. Had me fall in love and then she curved me. Lulu, what time you would think I'm bleeding from my toes? They go inside of you, make you freeze, make you pose. I want you to get up on your knees and your toes. I see one of my enemies, they gon' freeze like they cold. I swear I ain't no killer, but test me if you want. You don't want my adrenaline rushing, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Shit up on my mind, I can't think straight. All my niggas probably sounding like they scream. They be carrying diamonds with baguettes, yeah. I thought everything was right, that's when you left. Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it curses, you deserve it. Niggas in your DM, maybe Thursday. In the person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, let it surface. Yeah, I'm on your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay, you're swerving.
I'm in the V with the tits, got the effing on my body and a couple hollow tits. Niggas say they go around me and they still ain't do shit. Catch a weighing in the lobby and I'ma give it his dick. Man, where these niggas at? Man, where these niggas at? We gon' pull up big bodies with the Rugas in the back. I got Rugas in the max, pull up, leave a nigga flat. Look at how we spin a block, we gon' leave him where he at. Like, where these niggas at? Ayy, where these niggas at? I'ma pull up in a big body with the fucking Mac. If the ops try to turn my song off, run it back. Used to have a pack and my long johns not rap. If a nigga wanna act out, got the Mac out. I ain't got no fucking back off. That's a man down, I ain't got the fucking 40. Like a teeth, I'll spin back with the Ruga and block out.
Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it curses, you deserve it. Niggas in your DM, maybe Thursday. In the person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, let it surface. Yeah, I'm on your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay, you're swerving. Someone should have. All my niggas try to say like they scream.
Bartenders, run it up. Let's get into it. Watch it, bitch. Yeah. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. I see it in you. You just like a man, that's too bad. Pull up in a phone like skirt. All up in your feelings, yeah, you say so hurt. Belly at the cage, now it's time to run it up. And the gang got it too, so you know you wanna fuck. Shorty got ass, you just gotta tell me talk. Bartenders, run it up. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. 100 in my family, yeah. Running up the engine for my family, huh? Wanna hop on jet, take off your fanny, huh? You get to my wrist and they can stand me, huh? Fuck on my Maybach like a street meat. Shoot the 100 run and get your street sweet. Paddock on my wrist, this shit ain't cheap. Ricky, y'all the edit with what you gon' eat. If we got status in the bed, meet the grim reach. Green line of limo with your bitch creeps. We got the poppin' body, so I let the set beat 'em. I put the knife up on my back, I get the M's and feed 'em. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Bitch, I'm number one like I'm Nelly. In my crib all white like Belly. And my bitch ride for me like Remy. Poppin' shots, thug life like a valley. Send the cash to my celly, I'm a nigga, go get it. Then we spit it like a spinner. If I'm in it, it ain't in it. If the rim's so biggie and my tires look skinny. Good pussy and you pretty, but you better off the Henny. I ain't Ray J, told the bitch, wait a minute. Diamonds on my dick, told the bitch, come and get it. Shawty, you a star, got all these niggas bitchin'. She gotta make a count, hit me up when you finish. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Shoulders, knees, focus, head, shoulders, knees, focus, yeah, head, shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, going, yeah, head, shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, focus, yeah, head, shoulders, knees, focus, head, shoulders, knees, focus, yeah, head, shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, going, yeah, head, shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, focus. Ain't fucking with no off-brand, bitch. She never do this before, but she good at it. So she never made love, but she good at it. She make a nigga feel good when I know this, yeah. It's hard to stay low and everybody know this, yeah.